day is it today?
Wednesday.
What happens on Wednesday?
I have my test. My assessment.
Your driving assessment.
Yes.
Now then, what does the examiner want to see from you later on?
Safe driving.
Safe and legal, eh? Have you got any advice for anybody?
Me? Way to pass my test.
What if somebody was watching there now, okay?
Yeah.
And their test was in half an hour, what would you say to them?
Just be relaxed. Concentrate when you're driving. I don't know.
That's all you can do, yeah? Be like a little radar looking for potential problems. There, that's ease off a little bit, ease off a little bit, ease off a little bit.
Yeah.
There we go, and back on the gas, there we go. No, I'm not saying anything, I'm not helping you. There we go, you spotted me. Oh,
I told you to help
I was
me.
telling them she's turned the steering wheel the wrong way.
I told you to help me if I do something wrong.
Oh, okay.
And you were...
There we go, see.
Oh, look how pretty I am.
And me too.
Okay.
There we go, handbrake off for me, please.
Listen.
There we go. And relax.
Sold again.
Now then, you, when safe to do so, can you hit the like button, please? Thank you.
Oh.
Curbs are like first dates, okay? You can get close to it.
But don't touch it.
You can kiss it, but you can't mount it, okay?
Okay. I'll be a bad person and not see. Oh, I didn't see that.
Sorry, Sam. Right, pop the left indicator on. He's come to a stop. I'm going to take my foot off the brake. Now you can do it.
I didn't see it. I'm holding my breath and I don't know why.
Don't hold your breath for too long, you'll pass out.
Oh my God.
Proof, I have got another fail there.
I took my hands off the
Yep,
steering.
both hands off, yep. Go on in.
Okay.
Drive forwards into any bay of your choice. Got two ways of doing it, yeah? The easy way or Alina's way.
Okay, let's do your way. Yeah, I'm gonna stop there.
Drive forwards into any bay of your choice for me, please.
Okay.
No, I'm just trying to teach you how to drive and pass your driving test. It's as simple as that. Stop being such a drama queen.
I mean, it's good it's a mock test, because otherwise I was crying and driving. I can imagine the comments there. Like, what the...
Comment, come on, comment.
Oh my
Tell us what you think about Alina doing 24 under 20.
Fail. Ta-da.
There we go. Look for indicators.
Okay.
Yeah, did you pass or fail?
I passed!
Did you pass? Excellent. Well done. How many minors did you get?
2 minors. I didn't know how
Girl,
to...
he's crying.
She's crying.
Yeah,
Oh,
she's with her father.
I'll just text everyone, okay?
Yes, not a problem. Well done.
Oh my God, 2 minors.
That was really good, actually. Well done. Very nice.
Can't
Cool.
wait for my car.
Yeah.
Can't wait for my car.
Yeah.
I sent him a picture so he buy a car.
Yes, do some overtime now.
I have to do the overtime. Oh my God, I'm so glad. Yes.
Well done, you. Good. Excellent. Nice result. Well done. You deserve it. You did all the work. All I did was point you in the right direction.
You know what? I started panicking when I left and then I was like, no, safe driving. And that's it.
She even complimented you on your driving.
Oh yeah?
Well
Yeah,
done.
she said I'm a really good driver.
Yeah. Cool. Right. Say your final goodbye.
Bye bye.
Hasta luego, baby.
Yay.